airlines have mastered the art of generating revenue through fees and extras. By unbundling services, they create new revenue streams and increase profitability. Passengers are now paying for services that were once included in the ticket price. Checking in at the airport counter, passengers are offered additional services. From baggage fees to priority boarding, each option adds to the airline's revenue. Loyalty programs also play a significant role in generating revenue for airlines. By rewarding frequent flyers, airlines encourage customer loyalty and retention. Route economics come into play as airlines navigate complex networks and schedules. Price discrimination allows airlines to charge different prices for the same service. Airlines use data analytics to optimize their pricing and revenue management strategies. Data centers and servers process vast amounts of data to inform these decisions. By analyzing passenger behavior and market trends, airlines can maximize their profits. Airlines leverage loyalty programs to encourage repeat business and increase revenue. By offering rewards and exclusive benefits, airlines create a sense of loyalty among passengers. These programs often come with fees, generating additional income for airlines. Loyalty program members may pay more for flights and services to accumulate points. Airlines analyze passenger behavior to tailor loyalty programs and maximize profits. Loyalty programs can be a double-edged sword, benefiting airlines but frustrating some passengers. Passengers may feel pressured to pay more for services to maintain loyalty status. Airlines must balance loyalty program benefits with potential passenger dissatisfaction. Unbundling services allows airlines to charge extra for amenities like checked bags and food. Loyalty programs can influence passenger purchasing decisions, driving revenue growth. Airlines use data analytics to optimize loyalty programs and improve customer engagement. Loyalty programs are a key component of airline revenue strategies, alongside route economics and price discrimination. Airlines analyze route demand to set strategic prices and maximize revenue. By adjusting fares based on supply and demand, they increase profit margins. Data analytics play a crucial role in identifying profitable routes and schedules. Route economics involve complex calculations to balance costs and revenue. Airlines use yield management techniques to optimize seat allocation and pricing. Unbundling services allows airlines to charge extra for amenities like food and bags. Passengers are willing to pay more for convenience, comfort, and flexibility. Airline revenue management systems use algorithms to predict demand and adjust prices. Real-time data from various sources helps airlines make informed pricing decisions. Dynamic pricing enables airlines to respond quickly to changes in demand. Airline executives carefully monitor route performance to identify areas for improvement. Strategic pricing and revenue management are critical to an airline's financial success. Airlines use price discrimination to charge different fees to various travelers. By analyzing passenger data, they identify distinct market segments. Each segment is then offered tailored services and corresponding fees. Unbundling allows airlines to charge extra for services like checked luggage. Loyalty programs also play a role in price discrimination strategies. Passengers who frequently fly with an airline may receive discounted fees. Conversely, infrequent travelers may be charged higher fees for the same services. Airlines leverage data analytics to optimize their pricing and revenue models. Route economics also influence fee structures, with popular routes commanding higher fees. Airlines continually monitor and adjust their pricing to maximize profits. Airport check-in counters and online platforms display these varied fees to passengers. Ultimately, understanding price discrimination helps explain the complex revenue streams of airlines. Airlines leverage data analytics to optimize fee structures effectively. Advanced algorithms process passenger behavior and market trends constantly. Route economics play a crucial role in determining fare prices daily. Unbundling services allows airlines to charge extra for amenities freely. Loyalty programs encourage repeat business and higher spending habits. Data center servers store vast amounts of customer interaction data securely. Startup teams develop innovative solutions to streamline airline operations efficiently. Code screens display complex pricing models and revenue projections accurately. Airplane wings generate massive amounts of data during each flight cycle. Airport screens display real-time information to guide passenger decisions quickly. Baggage claim areas showcase the importance of efficient luggage handling systems. Cloud-based data centers enable airlines to scale their operations globally. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.